Hello and welcome to Zoom. Today we have with us two champions from the team of Chandu Champion, champion Kartik Aryan and champion Kabir Khan. So
Thank you.
welcome both of you to
Thank
Zoom.
you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
So firstly, I would like to start by that this coming together of Kabir Khan and Kartik Aryan, it is very interesting and exciting at the same time. So can you tell me about how this partnership, come about? Sir, firstly, I would like to ask you which performance of Kartik do you see और आपको लगा कि अब मुझे इसके साथ काम करना है?
Not one performance. I think I've seen Karthik's films over the years, and definitely, one can recognize the talent of an actor. But the decision to cast him in Chandu Champion does not come from that one performance, which I might have thought was a breakout performance. It just comes from the fact that I know that as an actor he can perform it. Now you meet him as a person, and then you sort of gauge whether his energy and his personality is correct for the image that I have of Chandu Champion, and that's how you start communicating with an actor, and you spend time. We said we decided to meet one day, और हमने सोचा आधे घंटे की मीटिंग होगी, लेकिन वो 2-2.5 घंटे चली मीटिंग. फिर उसके बाद और 1-2 बारी मिले, तो उसमें आपको समझ में आ जाता है कि okay, I think this is an actor that will be correct for Chandu Champion, and also his own enthusiasm for the story, excitement for the story. वो बहुत important है. अगर the actor you're taking material to, if उनको excitement नहीं है material से, then there is no valid reason to try and push them to do this story. So वो एक था, and I think when both the director and actor get equally excited about a role, that's when you can really embark on a journey like this. And Chandu Champion बहुत ही demanding script है, बहुत ही demanding film है. So it was very important that we were ready to give 100% to it.
And Karthik, for you, how was, how challenging it was to adjust to Kabir Khan's style of filmmaking, and that too in a film like this that is, very challenging on every level.
I think more than getting a chance to work with Kabir sir under his direction, I think the challenging part was to actually look the part. And think and maybe talk or walk, or there was no image that I had of Murlikant Petkar sir before the story, before the narration that Kabir sir gave me, or whatever image that he had, or the reference point that he gave me. But apart from that, it was just difficult to just construct or deconstruct, or so to make something new you have to know कि अगर किसी का बायोपिक हो रहा था जिसको आप जानते हो पहले से, तो उनके लिए आपको पता है कि ये कैसे चलते हैं, कैसे बात करते हैं, कैसे क्या स्पोर्ट्स में कैसे है, उनका लहजा क्या है. बट यहाँ पे वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ पर्सनालिटी जिनके बारे में ज़्यादा ना इंटरनेट पे है, ना कोई ऐसे इतने एलैबोरेट आर्टिकल्स हैं, या तो वो बड़ी, और वो बहुत सैड बात भी है कि ये नहीं था कहीं अवेलेबल. But Kabir sir really helped me out with all those things, and it was really challenging to deconstruct myself and how I would maybe approach a scene. I would approach maybe the dialogue, the dialogue delivery. It's just each and every step had to be new, I had to unlearn a lot of things which I was maybe used to in certain films. So for me, it was really a new chapter in my life, a new maybe a learning session in my life where I was just learning again and again new things. And so that was really challenging कि आपको कार्तिक कहीं ना दिखे इस फिल्म में. That was the challenging part. And then मुरलीकांत सर की छवि जो सर ने दी वो मैं फॉलो करता गया.
I think you did that क्योंकि हमें कार्तिक तो दिख ही नहीं रहे film में.
अरे thank you, that's so sweet, thank you.
Kabir sir, also when you make a biopic like say 83, तो कपिल देव को everybody knows, and when you make a Chandu Champion, then मुरलीकांत जी को कोई जानता नहीं है. So do you think it is a challenge in terms of कि ऑडियंस उतना एक्साइटेड हो पाएगा कि नहीं, बिकॉज उन्होंने देखा नहीं उस पर्सनालिटी को, तो उनको इंस्पायर करना, उनको मोटिवेट करना टू कम टू द थिएटर्स कितना?
Definitely, in that aspect, it's more challenging because you're right. In '83, people know what Kapil Dev stands for and what Kapil Dev did. So already excitement है कि we want to see that. In the case of a forgotten hero, nobody knows it. But then that becomes a thrill for a filmmaker कि come and discover this hero in the film. So if the communication is right, which I think in our case, touchwood, it's fallen right. I think the response to the trailer shows that I think we managed to communicate that here's an amazing story of an incredible life. please come and witness it. And that is what people are saying, that this is something I definitely want to see it. And we've also, I think, mounted it at a scale which is commensurate with the life we are showing. You know, the life has been lived out at a certain level of a canvas, and we have mounted it at that canvas. So in that sense, yeah, we're really excited to let the world come and discover who Murlikant Petkar was.
Okay, sir. Also, Karthik, as the tagline goes, the man who refused to surrender. So I think that this tagline applies to you as well, because coming from outside, after the initial setbacks, to reach where you have reached today. So now that you are in this position, how do you, how a regular Gwalior boy keeps himself, keeps himself from getting carried away, because it is so easy for, when you reach that stage, you achieve that success. So how do you keep yourself,
I think I don't attach myself to success or failures. I just keep doing my work, and I just concentrate on what I'm doing currently. I don't see whenever there's a I don't know if I deliver a hit or I deliver a flop. It's something which मैं उस थोड़े से मोमेंट के लिए शायद से इंजॉय कर लूँगा जब हिट दिए, लेकिन उसके बाद वापस अपने काम पे चला जाऊँगा. एंड अगर मैं फ्लॉप दिए तो फिर सैड हो जाऊँगा, और फिर थोड़ा वापस से आई ट्राई एंड अपना मूड चेंज करूँगा, एंड देन वापस से काम पे जाऊँगा. तो मैं लेकिन ये नहीं सोचता कि अगर आज मैं हिट दे रहा हूँ तो मैं रोज़ ही हिट दे रहा हूँ, या आज फ्लॉप दे रहा हूँ तो मेरी अगली हर फिल्म फ्लॉप. ऐसा नहीं होता है, वो नेचुरली पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो वो तो इसीलिए, क्योंकि ये टेम्पररी है इतना, तो आई थिंक यू शुड नेवर गेट अटैच्ड टू सच टैगलाइंस ऑल्सो, सच टैग्स ऑल्सो, जो इन हर फ्राइडे के साथ बदलते रहते हैं आपके नाम पे. तो वो थोड़ा सा आई थिंक उससे डिटैचमेंट, क्योंकि मेरा ऑलरेडी बहुत टाइम से है, शुरुआत से ही है, तो मैं बस वही फॉलो करता रहता हूँ. एंड सो दैट्स व्हाई इट डजंट affect me.
Also, sir, आपके साथ हमने देखा है, you pick this really real stories, hard hitting stories, लेकिन आप उसको जैसे प्रेजेंट करते हो ना, वेरी एंटरटेनिंग मैनर, इवन families को अपील करता है at large. So how do you do that, and can we expect the same in Chandu Champion also?
Oh, this is an incredible family watch. This is a film I really wish all families come. People bring their children, because it's a very entertaining story. It's of course, we are talking about Murlikant Petkar, so obviously we give him that respect and the fact that it's a very inspirational story. But the trick is, it's a hugely entertaining story, and that's the first thing that hit me. कि जिस तरीके से उनकी ज़िंदगी ऊपर नीचे गई है, मैंने कहा ये तो मतलब आप फिक्शन में भी इतना engaging वे से नहीं लिख सकते हैं. So yes, the attempt here has also been to present a larger than life story, but with all the entertainment, which I think is reflecting also in the trailer, which is reflecting in our songs. It's a good wholesome film. It's a film where you will laugh and you will cry, and you'll wake up. You'll get up with both the emotions. As I said, we'll get up with a lump in your throat and a smile on your face.
Also, Karthik, आपके बैक टू बैक फिल्म अगर हम देखें तो एवरी फिल्म इज़ ऑफ डिफरेंट जॉनर, बीट शहजादा, देन सत्य प्रेम, देन चंदू चैंपियन, और उसके बाद भूल भुलैया 3. सो आप एक तो इतने डिफरेंट जॉनर्स आप कर रहे हो, दिस टाइप ऑफ रेंज, आई डोंट थिंक कि करेंट टाइम्स में एनी एक्टर इज डिस्प्लेइंग और हैज़ डिस्प्लेड इन रीसेंट टाइम्स. सो इनमें से आपका फेवरेट जॉनर कौन सा है जो दैट यू एंजॉय द मोस्ट?
मैं जेन्युइनली, मुझे एक्चुअली लगता है मैं सारे जॉनर्स एंजॉय करता हूँ, और मुझे एक्चुअली पता नहीं, मैं एक होलसम फिल्म हमेशा देखने की कोशिश करता हूँ. आई थिंक दैट इज़ समथिंग जिसमें जो मल्टी जॉनर हो जाती है कई बार फिल्में. जैसे चंदू चैंपियन इज़ अ मल्टी जॉनर फिल्म. इसमें हर स्केड्यूल में मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं अलग अलग चीज़ें कर रहा हूँ, अलग अलग कैरेक्टर शायद से प्ले कर रहा हूँ, बिकॉज इतने एज ग्रुप्स भी हम लोग फॉलो कर रहे थे, तो वो हर स्केड्यूल में कोई अलग एज ग्रुप का था मैं, या फिर अलग स्किल सेट था, या फिर मेरी सराउंडिंग्स चेंज हो गई थी. तो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे ऐसे, और वो पूरा जब आप एक साथ जब वो देखते हैं तो उसमें कई तरीके के इमोशंस आपने ऑलरेडी उस चीज़ में कर दिए होते हैं. तो मुझे लगता है होलसम एंटरटेनर जो एक है जिसमें सारे जॉनर्स आ जाते हैं, मुझे उसमें मज़ा आता है कि ड्रामा भी है, इमोशन भी है, एक स्माइल भी है, एक जॉय है, विक्ट्री है. आई मीन देयर इज़ अ सेंस ऑफ pride, there's a sense of family है. So I think ये सब कुछ जब आप एक फिल्म में कर रहे हो तो I think it's the most satisfying quality of such a genre. So I think something like a Chandu Champion is something which I really enjoyed. So maybe something like this.
Okay. Also, sir, when you make a biopic on such a legendary personality, so एक तो बहुत सारे challenges होते हैं that you have to stay true to everything कि कोई भी मतलब कुछ भी उनका image या इधर उधर कुछ ना हो जाए. तो आपको उनसे कुछ रिस्पांस मिला? उन्होंने फिल्म देखी है मुरलीकांत जी ने और उनका इनिशियल रिस्पांस कैसा था?
कल रात को मुरली सर ने पहली बार फिल्म देखी विद द चीफ ऑफ द आर्मी स्टाफ, बिकॉज जब हमने आर्मी, क्योंकि आजकल आर्मी की फिल्म जो होती है उनसे एक एनओसी भी लेना पड़ता है, तो जब वो स्क्रीनिंग करी थी हमें, तो वहाँ के उनके ऑफिसर्स दे वर वेरी मूव्ड बाय द फिल्म एंड दे सेड कि वी वांट टू ऑर्गेनाइज अ स्क्रीनिंग विद द आर्मी चीफ एंड वी वांट टू फेलिसिटेट मुरली सर. तो कल वो स्क्रीनिंग हुई. दैट वाज आवर फर्स्ट पब्लिक स्क्रीनिंग व्हिच वाज वॉच्ड बाय ऑल द ऑफिसर्स एंड द जवान्स ऑफ द इंडियन आर्मी. दे केम एंड सॉ इट. And Murli sir, I think, I mean, he didn't need to say anything. We could only see what he's going through to realize what impact the film is having on it. I think उनको तो उनके लिए बहुत एक emotional upheaval, मतलब overwhelming है. तो फिर से जब फिल्म रिलीज़ हो रही है वो फिर से हमारे साथ एक बारी फिर से देखेंगे, तो आई थिंक उनके लिए तो काफ़ी टाइम लगेगा फॉर इट टू ऑल स्टार्ट सिंकिंग इन.
करेक्ट. एंड एनीथिंग ही सेड अबाउट कार्तिक उनके परफॉर्मेंस के लिए?
He said a lot. He said a lot. He was very emotionally moved, and he couldn't. We watched it with him. We sat with him, so it was, you could make out the impact that Karthik's performance was having on him, and he was. He would laugh with him. He would cry with him. He was.
He was while crying. He was saying कि आप तुमने मुझे रुला दिया. So it was just. Yeah, it was an emotional screening actually yesterday.
Yeah, it was.
Which, yeah. We didn't have words only. Nobody had. I mean,
Yeah.
everybody was just. That's why I think. I think hopefully when the audiences also see it, there will be that lump in the throat, and they will hopefully, because we got a glimpse of it last night. Yeah. I think. Yeah, it's a film I think all of us are really proud of, and it's a story which everybody should know.
Karthik, with you, how do you deal with the expectations that come with back-to-back big openings and big hits and the labels that come along with it, like Bollywood Savior and stuff like that? So how do you deal with that pressure?
मुझे लगता है ये वही मैं जैसे पहले आपको जवाब दिया कि डोंट अटैच योरसेल्फ, डोंट टेक इट टू सीरियसली, बिकॉज कभी वही चीज़ आप सडनली वो फ्राइडे आपके लिए वर्क करता है, सडनली अगला फ्राइडे नहीं वर्क करता, फिर वर्क कर. इट्स अ रोलर कोस्टर राइड. आप जिस पे बैठे हो आपको नहीं पता कि कब ऊपर जा रहे हैं कब नीचे आ रहे हैं. सो आई फील दैट मैं उनसे अटैच नहीं होता हूँ. दैट्स द रीज़न आई कीप्स मतलब थोड़ा सा मैं स्ट्रॉन्ग विल पावर के साथ, सैनिटी के साथ एक रहता हूँ, जिसमें मुझे ये सब चीज़ें अटैचमेंट इनसे करना नहीं है. And I just want to be known for good work. That's the topmost priority, and yeah, I give my 100%, 200% to the film or the character.
So lastly, Karthik, I would want to know which is that one Kabir Khan film you wish you had starred in?
Oh, I wish I had starred in. यार मैं वो बोलूँगा फिर आप बोलोगे फिर वो उसका कुछ
नहीं आप बताओ,
क्योंकि वो फिर वो एक्टर हो जाता है.
अच्छा, which is your favorite Kabir Khan film?
बजरंगी भाईजान.
Okay, ठीक है. And sir, for you also, which is your favorite Karthik Aaryan film?
कार्तिक आर्यन की एक्चुअली आई लव्ड हिज फर्स्ट प्यार, बिकॉज क्या होता है कि ऑफन सेड लोग पूछते हैं फेवरेट एक्चुअली इज नॉट नेसेसरली पेग टू द क्वालिटी ऑफ द फिल्म. इट्स उस टाइम आप पे क्या असर पड़ा. तो हाँ, मतलब तो एट दैट टाइम टू सी a young new actor perform the way he did with the freshness he came, it was that is a film everybody stood up and took notice of कि ये कौन है, ये क्या है. There's something nice in the language of the film itself and the way it was made and the way the actors were performing. So definitely his प्यार का पंचनामा and all the things that which made a great impact, and we genuinely enjoyed those films. He's done bigger, better movies, but the impact of that was bigger.
First of its kind it was, the film.
नयापन था ना, वही मैं बोलता हूँ कि इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि there's a you have to see a freshness in the voice. If you're replicating a voice, then what's the point? There are lots of others doing it. So the moment whenever you notice a new energy and a new voice in town, you always take notice.
Okay, thank you so much, Karthik. Thank you so much, Kabir sir, for talking to us. All the best for Chandu Champion. Looking forward to it.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.